I started off with just a tiny little skinny chain, and it grew into this. 33 pounds of gold and diamonds given to me by superstars of the world, dead and gone legends. I absolutely love old world elegance.
And you're famous for?
I'm a two-time Guinness Book world record holder of the longest limousine in the world with the swimming pool and a helicopter landing pad and a Boeing 727 jet limo. I'm telling you, baby. When you pull up in the limousine, they don't know who you are, but they think you're someone. The bigger, the longer they are, the more exotic they are, the more the head turns.